Now, nutrition is one of the most important and relevant topics when a child is diagnosed with cancer. Parents always want to know, what can my child eat? How can we boost his immunity or her immunity? How can we avoid infections? How can we make sure that they don't lose their strength, etc.? And because of this, there are many personal beliefs, there are many different practices, and so it is important to give the right message. So keeping it simple, the first thing is that the food has to be clean. So to make it to be clean, generally it is freshly prepared. You don't use stored food. You don't reheat food from the day before. You make it fresh. You make it at home. You use hygienic practices. Ensure that there's cleanliness around. The food stuff you buy, which you are going to cook, is clean. You wash properly, etc. So that is the first thing. And an extension of that is that you also try and avoid fruits or vegetables which are exposed, which you want to eat raw. So if you want to eat anything raw, particularly like fruits, you would prefer to use the ones which have a thick peel, like a banana or an orange or a watermelon, etc. And those which don't have a peel, like a strawberry or a grape, then you would generally avoid them. So that's the cleanliness part or the hygiene part. The second part is that, of course, the food has to be tasty. If it is not tasty, then the child would not enjoy it. And so it is a challenge to make sure that you cook tasty food at the stage in the child when their mouth taste is altered, etc. And the third and most important thing is the nourishment of the food. So again, we are commonly, used to giving dry fruits and fruit juices, etc. And I think those are important and they have a role to play. But what perhaps is most important, in my opinion, is protein, because protein is what makes muscle. So if you're a vegetarian, then soya protein, lentil protein, milk protein, paneer protein, etc. And of course, if you're a non-vegetarian, then egg protein, fish protein, chicken protein, meat protein, etc. So encouraging proteins in the diet is important. In certain situations, you can also use some supplements. Do that with consultation of your doctor or your dietitian. But those would be the general things to follow for nutrition. Thank you.